Hello dear viewers and learners, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English to Learn channel. This is Babul Akhtar is with you. How are you doing? Well, hope you are doing best. Today I will welcome you another interesting conversations in our daily life. Today we'll learn what sort of conversations we can make in a shopping mall. We everyone like doing shoppings, right? And you also like it. So in the shopping mall, a customer and a salesman, what sort of conversations they make, we will learn today. In the shopping mall, we need to get help and we need to give help. We need to ask the price, we need to ask about the size of the product or items, and we need to know the color of our item. So these sort of conversations, how we can make, today we learn. First, we'll learn how we can get help and give help. আমরা কিভাবে সাহায্য পেতে পারি এবং করতে পারি. How we can get help and give help. You can ask many ways. You can ask, excuse me, could you please help me? দয়া করে আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারেন? You can say, can you please help me? Can you please help me? Then if you are a salesman, you can answer, certainly, what can I help you with? What can I help you with? নিশ্চয়ই আমি আপনাকে কিভাবে সাহায্য করতে পারি? Or you can say, sure, what can I do for you? Sure, what can I do for you? নিশ্চয়ই আমি আপনার জন্য কি করতে পারি? Now you want to give help. How you can give help and how you can approach. Now let's we learn. Can I help you with something? Can I help you with something? আমি কি আপনাকে কোনো কিছু দিয়ে সাহায্য করতে পারি? আমি কি আপনাকে কোনো কিছু দিয়ে সাহায্য করতে পারি? Or you can offer in this way, is there something I can help you with? Is there something I can help you with? আপনাকে কোনো কিছুতে সাহায্য করতে হবে? You can say also, how can I help you? How can I help you? আমি আপনাকে কিভাবে সাহায্য করতে পারি? Then how to say yes or no in this case? No thanks, I'm just looking. Think that you are in the shopping mall, so someone is trying to help you, then you can say, no thanks, I'm just looking. আমি খুঁজছি, ধন্যবাদ, লাগবে না, আমি খুঁজছি. And if you need help, you can say, yes please, I'm looking for kids item. Yes please, I'm looking for men's item. Or I'm looking for women's item. I'm looking for sports item, sports department, fish department, grocery department. So in this way, you can answer these questions. Now, how we can get more information about our product that we are searching for. আপনার প্রোডাক্ট সম্পর্কে, আপনি যে প্রোডাক্টটি খুঁজছেন সেই প্রোডাক্ট সম্পর্কে আরও বেশি আপনার জানার প্রয়োজন। সেটার সাইজ, সেটার কালার সম্পর্কে আপনার এখন জানতে হবে। সেই বিষয়গুলো আপনি কিভাবে জানবেন? There are some ways, there are some steps to ask for sizes of the item. Step 1, do you have a medium size? Do you have a medium size? আপনার কাছে কি মাঝারি বা মিডিয়াম সাইজ আছে? Do you have a larger size? আপনার কাছে কি বড় সাইজ আছে? Do you have a larger size? আপনার কাছে কি বড় সাইজ আছে? Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? আপনার কাছে কি ছোট সাইজ আছে? Do you have this in size 5? Do you have this size in 5? এটার কি 5 নম্বর সাইজ আছে? Do you have this in green? Do you have this in green? আপনার কাছে কি এর সবুজ রং আছে? Step number 2. You can ask questions in this way also. Do you carry these in size 5? Do you carry these in size 5? Do you carry these in red, green, blue? Yes, we do. হ্যাঁ, আছে। No, I'm sorry, we don't. না, আমি দুঃখিত, আমাদের কাছে নেই। Step number 3. Does this come in medium, big, size 10? Does this come in medium size? Does this come in big size? Does this come in size 10? Does this come in a larger size? Does this come in a larger size? এটার বড় সাইজ আছে? Does this come in a smaller size? এটার ছোট সাইজ আছে? Do this come in medium, big, size 10? Do this come in a larger, smaller size? Do these come in a larger, smaller size? To answer yes, then you can say yes, it does. Yes, they do. If it doesn't have, then you can say no, I'm sorry, it doesn't. No, I'm sorry, they don't. এগুলো নেই। এটা আছে, এগুলো নেই। Then how you can ask prices in the shopping mall? You can ask prices in the shopping mall in 4 ways. Step number 1, how much does it cost? Or how much does this mobile cost? এটার দাম কত? এই মোবাইলের দাম কত? How much do they cost? এগুলোর দাম কত? How much do these mobiles cost? এই মোবাইলগুলোর দাম কত? Step number 2. What is the price of it? এটার দাম কত? What is the price of this mobile? এই মোবাইলটির দাম কত? Step number 2. What are the prices of these mobiles? What are the prices of these mobiles? Step number 3. How much is this mobile? Or how much is it? How much is this mobile? Or how much is it? How much are these mobiles? How much are they? How much are these mobiles? How much are they? Step number 4. Could you tell me the price of this mobile? Could you tell me the price of this mobile? Can you tell me the price of these mobiles? Can you tell me the price of these mobiles? Then how you can tell the price of your items? It's 2000 taka. There 6000 taka. It's 2000 taka. There 6000 taka. Now we will look into a dialogue. Think that Sarah and Samin have gone to the shopping mall. Ronti is a sales girl. So what sort of conversations they're making in the shopping mall? We'll now look into it. Ronti is a sales girl. So as they have entered into the shopping mall, Ronti is asking, "Hi, can I help you with something?" Then Sarah is telling, "Yes, please, we are looking for men's department." Yes, please, we are looking for men's department. Ronti is telling, "It's right over there by the escalator." It's right over there by the escalator. ওটা ওখানে এসকেলেটরের পাশে, লিফটের পাশে। Someone is telling, "Here we are, and these are the sport shirts." Here we are, and these are the sport shirts. Sarah is telling to Samin, "Look at this one. This color is perfect for you. Look at this one. This color is perfect for you." Samin is telling, "I like it too. How much is it?" I like it too. How much is it? Sarah is telling, "It's on sale for 2000 taka." It's on sale for 2000 taka. Samin is telling, "That's a good price, but I think they only have it in layers." But I think they only have it in layers. এটা খুবই ভালো প্রাইস। আমার মনে হচ্ছে এই আইটেমগুলোর কেবলমাত্র বড় সাইজ আছে। Sarah is asking to the sales girl, Excuse me, could you help me? Then sales girl Ronti is telling, sure, what can I do for you? What can I do for you? Sarah is telling, does this shirt come in medium? Does this shirt come in medium? এই শার্টের medium size আছে? Ronti is telling, yes, it does. হ্যাঁ আছে. Here you are. এই তো, এটা নাও. Sam is telling, great, we'll take it. খুবই ভালো, আমরা এটা নেব. So in this way, they have completed their conversations in the shopping mall. Dear viewers and learners, probably you have learned what sort of conversations are made in a shopping mall. From now on, if you go to the shopping mall, if you like shopping, you can get help, you can give help, you can ask for the prices, you can ask for the size, color, and everything. Dear viewers and learners, if you want to get more videos on conversations, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. So thank you very much to watch it. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.